Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. But today, so I'm pretty sure like on my third to last video, yeah, I'm pretty sure. I said if this video got past 1 like, I would read another book. I would read Dogman. And it got to 2 likes, so yeah. That's okay, because I'm going to be reading Dogman today. So let's get into it. Behind the scenes. I'm just gonna get right into the story. I'm gonna move my chair. Oh, and this is Steve. Hi, Steve. And hold up. So this is actually what I use to hold up. So I don't have a camera, so I use my iPad. And this is actually what I use to hold it up when I do the how to draw videos. Steve, like a pencils thing, and then I have a bookcase underneath it. Okay, so let's get into it. Dogman, Chapter 1, A Hero is Unleashed. Dogman by George and Harold. Beep beep. Oh boy, my new couch is here. She's a real beauty, Chief. I know. We put it in your office. Thanks, fellas. I can't wait to be the fourth one to sit on it. Calling all cops. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. You can watch me break into my brand new couch. Excuse me, I gotta go. Get a tissue. My nose always runs. I'm back. Okay, sorry about that. My nose was just runny. So, what's going on here? Hey! Officer Knight and Greg the dog. You got dirty shoes and dog hair everywhere. You're the worst cops ever. Get out of my sight. Oh man, Chief is really mad at us. Again. I wish we could do something heroic to impress him. Uh-oh. I hope you guys can see that fine. That cop and that police dog are back. Who cares? Aren't you worried about those two? Heck no. Check this out. Officer Knight is a tough cop, but he ain't got brains. Duh. Just duh right there. And Greg the dog is smart, but his body is his weakness. Yeah, but what if they work together? That might be a problem. Fortunately, I have a solution. Teehee. Help! It's a bomb. Officer Knight and Greg ran to defuse the bomb. Which wire should I cut? Red or green? Gold. Okay, green it is. And so, kablooey. Oh no, I forgot dogs are colorblind. We do. And so, how do you feel, old friend? What? Me too. Soon the doctors came in with some sad news. Boo boo boo. I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying. And your head is dying too, Cop. What? I sure hate my dying head. But just when all seems lost, hey, why don't we sew Greg's head onto Cop's body? Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius. Hooray! So they had a big operation. The doctors cut off Greg's head and sewed it onto Cop's body. What a lucky day. They say like what a lucky day, but kind of no, because their heads blew up. And soon a brand new crime-fighting centuries was unleashed. Hooray for Dogman! If I get these words wrong, I'm sorry, but I'm literally only in second grade. The news spread quickly. What I unwittingly created the greatest cop ever. Fortunately, I know just how to stop him. The next day, well. So you're the world's most greatest cop, eh? Well, you better watch your step around here, bub. I'm gonna keep my eye on you. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Nick. Get out of here! Poor Dogman's day had started out badly, but things were about to get worse. But I'm gonna see how much pages there were to a new chapter. Gosh, these chapters are long, but we're gonna stop it halfway. Okay. Ha! What's so funny? Today I'm going to destroy Dogman once and for all. How? Tell me what dogs are all dogs afraid of? Firecrackers? Well, yes, I suppose that's true, but dogs are also afraid of vacuum cleaners. I built this baby last night. Gee, I think firecrackers would have been easier. Who asked you? You did? Slap. This has thousands of dollars of the latest technology. Firecrackers only cost $5. Enough with the firecrackers. This is way cooler, and once I turn it on, it will chase Dogman. And it won't stop until he gets sucked up. Ha ha ha! Yee-haw! Zoom. Oh, Dogman! Let's get ready to Woomba, whatever. Okay, I gotta go get a notification. I'll be back. I'm coming. I'm back. Okay. This is the best movie scene ever. Huh? But no. But. Ah! Go on and run. You haven't got a chance. This vacuum cleaner has a 600 HP motor and endless power supposedly. And the bag expands so it can suck up almost anything. When Dogman heard the word almost, he had a good idea. Ocean City. Ocean. Gulp. Dude, that giant vacuum cleaner just swallowed my surfboard. Bummer, dude. Splash. The vacuum cleaner followed Dogman into the sea. Hey, let's get out of this water, okay? I can't swim. Besides, this vacuum cleaner isn't supposed to get wet. No, fail! Dogman dived down, so the vacuum started sucking up the sea. The vacuum cleaner bag got fuller and fuller and fuller. Meanwhile, under the water, Dogman was losing the battle. Gulp. Poor dog. No, please don't say Dogman, no. Shoot, I lost my page. Shoot. The vacuum cleaner had won the war. Or had he? Bum, bum, bum. I gotta get out of here before this bag of seawater busts. Whatever. Bust. Whoa! Bing, bing. Pete grabbed on with his claws. Suddenly, the vacuum cleaner bag began to whip. Whip. Pop. Petey got washed away in the super tidal wave. It looked like this was the end. No, Petey. Huh? Hey, he's alive. Dogman, you're a good friend. Hey, you saved me. You're not a bad guy after all. I've got one word to say to you. Click. Whacked. Flip, one more time. The tidal wave got smaller and smaller until it just ended at just the right spot. Hey, cops, Dogman captured Petey. This calls for a celebration. I hope you guys can see that. They're throwing Dogman up in the air. Well, Dogman, I guess I was wrong about you. Put her down. Nick. Hooray for Dogman! And cops like, no Dogman. Chapter 2. So we'll read that later. But I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.